In this video we're going to look at getting started onto Mahara and setting up our profiles. First thing you need to do is to log into Moodle and then find the Mahara icon here. Click on the icon and you will automatically be logged into the Mahara system. It takes your login details from Moodle so you don't have to enter them twice. When you first come in, you'll come into your home page, which we'll discuss in a later video. But the first thing you want to do the first time you come in here is to go into the Profile tab and actually set up your profile. In here we can go into Edit Profile, and then there's some different tabs: About Me, Contact Information, Messaging and General. In the About Me, you'll want to make sure it's got your full first and last name, your student ID if that's applicable, and then a display name of how you want to be seen by other people using Mahara. If you're going to be using this for anything to do with your college courses at all, it's best to actually use your full name in here as well. And there's a little bit of information here you can write about yourself. Once you've done that, go into Contact Information. Now, if you look at this, it does tell you this information is private until you include it into a view that's shared with others. We need to think about e-safety here, so it's probably sensible just to put in something like your college email address here, and make sure you can add extra ones, but make sure you've got at least one that you can actually receive your emails at college. Other details as required, but say I wouldn't put home addresses and things like that in here. On the messaging tab, we've actually got different ways that we can actually contact people and take part in different chat sessions. Type anything in here as appropriate. Again, these will be kept private until you actually choose to let anybody else see it. General is your occupation and industry, either what job you're doing or that you're a student and what sort of subject you're doing. When you've filled in those, make sure you remember to click the Save Profile button. That's your main details set up, but of course you'll want some sort of photo or icon of yourself showing. So in that case, go up to the Profile Icons tab, click on that, and you see I've already got one photo, and that's my default photograph that will be used as an icon. But you've got a choice of actually browsing and uploading different pictures of yourself that you might want to use. This could be an avatar, it could be a drawing you've made, some sort of icon you want to use, whichever you like. You can have up to 5 in total, and when we look into this a bit further on, you'll see that you can use different profile icons for different types of people you're talking to. So with your lecturers, you might use a photograph of yourself, but if it is a social forum you're taking part in and you're chatting to your friends, you might want something a little bit more personalised, something like that. So get those set up, at least one though please. And the last bit in here is my CV. I will show you that, but I won't go into a great deal of detail here. It allows you, using templates, to actually set up a cover letter for a job application you might want to do, and it actually helps you through filling in your CV for education and employment, achievements, goals, skills and interests. So you might find this is useful, maybe useful when you're doing your work skills, might be useful if you're applying for a job as well. Okay, that's set up your profile, and then you're ready to start using Mahara.